Righto, General Maths students. We're going to continue our study of annuities in advance, and we're going to do part B of this question, where we're asked about calculating a regular payment. So I'll just get rid of all the stuff that was there, so we've got some space to work. So what is happening here is that in part A, we figured out that Danielle would save this much here with her current contribution to this fund. But in part B, they're telling us that Danielle, in fact, wants to save more than that for her retirement. She wants $1 million. Okay? So, what we're doing, if we look at the original formula, is we're trying to rearrange to make the regular payment, or R, the subject. We want to get R on its own. Right? Now, that looks like a big, ugly formula and looks like it's going to be really hard to rearrange, but in fact, it's not that hard to rearrange. Let me show you. Okay, now just get rid of that bit. So, first off, we're going to look at taking this I that's on the bottom here over to the other side with F. Now, it's just like regular rearranging of equations. We do opposite operations. It's dividing on this side, so it's going to go over the other side and times. Yeah. And we can treat all these brackets just as one big thing. They're multiplying by R on this side, so they can go over the other side and they will divide. So essentially what we end up with is those two things that are on the top and the bottom switch around, and we have the final amount times the interest rate over all the stuff that's in the brackets. Okay, so maybe you want to pause the video and try this on your own now, and then I'll have a go at it. Righto, so that final amount, the $1 million, is going to go there, right? So R equals 1 million times our interest rate's the same as before, 0.095 over 12. Everything just goes in the same as usual. So we write all that. Once again, the really tricky part is going to be putting it into the calculator. Same end value as before. Still going to be doing this over 35 years. Okay, so try putting that into the calculator, see if you can get the right answer. So let's see. Get our fraction button going. Fair bit of typing to do. Make sure that you practice this. Make sure that you can put these into the calculator correctly. It's very easy to make mistakes. And the calculator is telling me that Danielle will have to up that payment to $297.10. If we round that one properly, it's to the nearest cent, it's 10 cents. So $297.10. Up from $250 to $297.10 to go from this amount to $1 million. Okay guys, so go ahead and look at the description for the video and try some of those questions.